Have you ever wondered if you're really getting all the amazing benefits that garlic has to offer? It's possible that a few simple mistakes are standing in your way. Known not just for its bold flavor, but also for its powerful health properties, garlic is a true superstar in both the kitchen and traditional medicine. This potent little plant is a warrior against infections, a hero for your heart, and might even help manage diabetes and inflammation. Plus, ongoing research suggests it could be a key player in preventing certain types of cancer. But to truly tap into its extraordinary capabilities, we need to make sure we're using it correctly. Today, we're diving into the 6 common mistakes people often make with garlic, and how you can avoid them to fully harness garlic's medicinal and culinary powers. Stay tuned as we peel back the layers of these common errors and ensure you never miss out on what garlic has to offer. Mistake number 1: overcooking garlic. Cooking with garlic is not just about enhancing the flavor of a dish, but also about harnessing its powerful health benefits. However, many cooks inadvertently make the mistake of overcooking garlic, which can significantly reduce its medicinal value. Garlic's health benefits are primarily attributed to allicin, a potent sulfur-containing compound known for its ability to fight infections, boost cardiovascular health, manage diabetes, and potentially prevent certain cancers. Allicin, however, is quite delicate and sensitive to heat. It begins to degrade and lose its beneficial properties at temperatures above 140 degrees Fahrenheit 60 degrees Celsius. When garlic is cooked for an extended period, especially at high temperatures, the allicin is broken down before it can be beneficial, reducing the garlic's overall health contributions. To avoid this common culinary pitfall, it's advisable to add garlic toward the end of the cooking process. This technique allows the garlic to be heated just enough to release its robust flavor while preserving the allicin content that's critical for health benefits. Incorporating garlic in this manner ensures that its therapeutic properties are maintained and can be fully utilized by the body. For those looking to maximize the health benefits of garlic, considering its use in raw forms is another excellent strategy. Raw garlic can be integrated into various dishes without any cooking at all. Preparing cold dishes like dressings, salsas, or dips with raw garlic not only preserves all the allicin, but also imparts a strong, pungent flavor that can elevate a simple dish to a more flavorful ensemble. Furthermore, embracing the use of raw garlic in the kitchen can have more comprehensive health implications. Since allicin is best preserved in uncooked garlic, incorporating raw garlic into the diet can help in better managing inflammatory conditions, supporting detoxification pathways, and bolstering the immune system. While garlic is renowned for its flavor-enhancing properties, its health benefits are maximized when it is cooked properly or used raw. By adjusting the way garlic is incorporated into dishes, mainly by adding it at the end of cooking or using it raw in various preparations, cooks can ensure they are making the most of this incredibly beneficial ingredient. Remember, with garlic, a little care in preparation goes a long way in providing both taste and health benefits. Mistake number 2: eating whole garlic cloves. Eating whole garlic cloves might seem like a potent way to consume this healthful bulb, but there's a catch that could be causing you to miss out on its key benefits. The main issue lies in how garlic releases its beneficial compounds, specifically allicin. Allicin, the compound responsible for many of garlic's health benefits, including its ability to fight infections and boost heart health, is only produced when garlic is physically altered, chopped, crushed, or chewed. Whole cloves remain largely intact, which means the allicin isn't activated and the potential health benefits are not maximized. To ensure you're getting the most out of your garlic, it's recommended to prep it in a way that encourages allicin formation. Crushing, chopping, or mincing garlic before adding it to your meals not only triggers the necessary chemical reactions to produce allicin, but also helps integrate the garlic more effectively into the dish, enhancing flavor throughout. For those who find the intense flavor of fresh garlic a bit overwhelming, there are ways to temper it while still reaping the health rewards. Mixing minced or crushed garlic with other ingredients can mellow its sharpness. Consider combining it with complementary flavors like olive oil, lemon juice, or herbs in dressings and marinades, or mixing it into butter for a more subdued garlic bread spread. These methods allow you to incorporate garlic in a way that doesn't overpower your dishes, but still lets you enjoy all the health advantages it has to offer. By understanding and applying these simple preparation techniques, you can elevate your cooking and your health, ensuring that every clove of garlic adds not just flavor but also significant nutritional value to your meals. Mistake number 3: using pre-peeled garlic. Using pre-peeled garlic might seem like a convenient shortcut when you're busy in the kitchen, but this seemingly small compromise can actually result in a significant loss of garlic's healthful properties. The main issue with pre-peeled garlic is that once the cloves are exposed to air, they begin to oxidize. This oxidation process leads to a degradation of essential compounds, particularly allicin, which is responsible for many of garlic's health benefits, such as its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. With pre-peeled garlic, the allicin content is significantly reduced by the time it reaches your kitchen, which means you're not getting the full spectrum of benefits garlic can offer. To avoid this pitfall and ensure you're using the most potent garlic, it's best to buy whole heads of garlic and peel the cloves yourself as needed. This practice not only maintains the integrity and potency of the allicin, but also ensures that you're getting the freshest garlic possible. Fresh garlic not only tastes better, but its health benefits, like improving cardiovascular health and boosting immune function, are at their peak. For those concerned about the time it takes to peel garlic, there are quick techniques that can make this process easier. Crushing the clove lightly with the flat side of a knife can loosen the skin, making it simpler to peel. Another efficient method is shaking the cloves in a hard container or using a silicone garlic peeler to remove the skin without the hassle. Emphasizing the importance of freshness in garlic not only enhances the flavor of your dishes, but maximizes the health benefits you derive from them. By sticking to these simple guidelines, you can ensure that every clove of garlic adds both robust flavor and powerful health-boosting properties to your meals. Mistake number 4: failing to wash garlic. One common oversight that can impact both the quality of your dishes and your health is failing to wash garlic before use. Garlic, like any produce that comes from the ground, can carry residues from the soil, including dirt and pesticides, as well as potential bacteria from the handling and shipping process. If these contaminants are not properly washed off, they can be introduced into your food, compromising both the flavor and safety of your dishes. The solution to this issue is quite straightforward. Always rinse your garlic cloves under running water before you start peeling or chopping them. This simple step is crucial, especially if you're using non-organic garlic, which is more likely to have been treated with chemical pesticides that you definitely don't want to ingest. Washing garlic not only removes these unwanted residues, but also minimizes the risk of introducing bacteria into your meals. Taking the time to wash your garlic ensures that you're using the cleanest, safest ingredients in your cooking. This practice not only maintains the high quality of your dishes, but also protects your health by reducing exposure to potentially harmful substances. Additionally, while washing, you can also inspect the garlic for any bad spots or mold that should be cut away before use, ensuring that every piece you cook with is fresh and of good quality. Incorporating this step into your kitchen routine might seem minor, but it can make a significant difference in the cleanliness and overall quality of your food. By making sure your garlic is properly washed, you're not just enhancing your recipes, you're also taking an important step towards safer, healthier eating. Mistake number 5: improper garlic storage. Storing garlic properly is crucial for maintaining its quality and longevity, but often, it's stored incorrectly, which can lead to premature spoilage, sprouting, or mold. The key issues arise from storing garlic in environments that are either too warm, too humid, or too cold. For instance, a warm or humid kitchen can accelerate garlic's natural aging process, causing it to sprout or become soft more quickly. On the other hand, placing garlic in the refrigerator isn't a good idea either, as the cold, moist environment inside a fridge encourages mold growth and can change the texture of the garlic, making it rubbery and less flavorful. The best way to store garlic is to keep whole heads in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated place. A pantry or a cupboard away from the stove or other heat sources is ideal. This type of environment helps preserve the garlic's freshness by slowing down the sprouting process and preventing mold. Additionally, it's important to allow for proper airflow around the garlic. Storing it in a mesh or paper bag, rather than a plastic bag, is highly effective because these materials let air circulate around the cloves, reducing moisture buildup, which can lead to spoilage. By adopting these simple storage techniques, you can extend the life of your garlic and ensure it remains fresh and potent for as long as possible. Not only does proper storage prevent waste, but it also means you'll always have fresh garlic on hand to enhance your dishes. Remember, how you store your garlic can have a big impact on the flavor and nutritional value it adds to your cooking, so taking a little extra care with this humble but mighty ingredient is definitely worth the effort. Mistake number 6, not allowing garlic to rest. A common yet easily overlooked mistake in cooking with garlic is not allowing it to rest after chopping or crushing. This step is crucial because it directly affects the formation of allicin, the compound responsible for many of garlic's health benefits. Allicin isn't present in whole garlic cloves. It's produced through a chemical reaction that occurs when garlic cells are broken down. This means when you chop, crush, or mince garlic, you're initiating this reaction, but the process isn't instantaneous. It takes time for allicin to form fully. The problem arises when garlic is used immediately after chopping. Rushing it into the pan or mixing bowl can prevent allicin from reaching its maximum potential because the compound needs a few minutes to develop fully. By not allowing garlic to rest, you miss out on maximizing these potent health benefits, which include boosting the immune system, reducing inflammation, and offering antioxidant properties. The solution is simple and requires just a little patience. After chopping or crushing your garlic, let it sit for at least 10 minutes before you continue with your cooking. This waiting period isn't just a pause, it's an active part in the preparation that enhances the garlic's beneficial properties. Think of it as letting a good wine breathe before serving to enhance its flavors. Incorporating this resting period into your garlic prep routine is a minimal effort with a significant payoff. This simple practice not only boosts the health properties of your dishes, but also deepens the flavor profile of the garlic itself. By allowing garlic to rest, you ensure that you're truly harnessing all the natural goodness this powerful ingredient has to offer, turning your meals not only into a delight for the palate, but a boost for your health. Ignoring drug interactions. When incorporating garlic into your diet, especially in medicinal quantities, it's important to consider its potential interactions with medications. Garlic is known for its beneficial effects on health, but it can also have potent interactions, particularly with anticoagulants and antihypertensives. For instance, garlic has natural blood-thinning properties, which can be a concern if you're already taking anticoagulant medications like warfarin. The combination can increase the risk of excessive bleeding, a serious issue that requires careful management. Similarly, garlic can affect blood pressure and blood sugar levels, which means it can potentially interfere with medications designed to control hypertension and diabetes. These interactions aren't just minor considerations, they can have significant implications for your health. To navigate these potential risks safely, It's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before using garlic as a supplement, particularly if you're on any of the mentioned medications. Your doctor can guide you on how to safely incorporate garlic into your health regimen without compromising the effectiveness of your medications or your overall health. This precautionary step ensures that you can enjoy the benefits of garlic while managing any possible risks effectively. Choosing poor quality garlic. When selecting garlic, the quality of the bulbs you choose plays a crucial role in determining the potency of their health benefits. Poor quality garlic, such as older bulbs that have begun to sprout, can have significantly diminished health properties. Sprouting indicates that the garlic is past its prime and is using up its stored nutrients to grow new shoots, which means there's less nutritional and medicinal value left for you. To ensure you're getting the most out of your garlic, it's important to pick the best quality bulbs. Look for garlic that is firm to the touch, with intact, dry skins. The cloves should be plump and tightly packed, with no signs of softness or moisture, which can indicate decay. Avoid bulbs that have visible blemishes or those starting to sprout, as these are signs that the garlic is aging and losing its valuable compounds. Choosing high-quality garlic not only enhances the flavor of your dishes, but also ensures you are maximizing the health benefits, like boosting immune function and reducing inflammation. By selecting the best bulbs, you're investing in better taste and better health. In conclusion, making the most of garlic's health benefits is all about avoiding common mistakes like overcooking, using pre-peeled cloves, and improper storage. Remember to let chopped garlic rest to fully activate its allicin content and always wash it to remove contaminants. By selecting high-quality, fresh garlic and preparing it correctly, you can significantly enhance its flavor and nutritional benefits. If you found these tips helpful, please like, comment, and share this video to help others learn how to optimize the health benefits of garlic. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful health-related content. By making these simple adjustments, you can ensure that every dish you prepare not only tastes great, but also contributes positively to your health. Join us as we continue to explore more ways to make healthy living accessible and enjoyable.